Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to read another part of the lesson, that is democratic rights. So today we are going to read about RTI, that is Right to Information Act 2005. Okay, Right to Information Act 2005. तो अगर हम बात करें ड्यूरिंग 2004 to 2014, if we will talk about 2004 to 2014, Congress government was at its center, okay, under Dr. Manmohan Singh. So during this period, the most important achievement, or we can say the biggest achievement of Congress during this period was RTI Act 2005. Okay, RTI Act 2005. During this period, that is the period from 2004 to 2014, the biggest achievement of Congress under Manmohan Singh during this period was RTI Act 2005. Regarding RTI Act 2005, you have to remember some data. Number one is 11 May 2005. What happened on 11 May 2005 is that this RTI Act bill, ये जो bill थी, it was passed in Lok Sabha. Okay, Lok Sabha. On 11 May 2005, RTI Act bill was passed in Lok Sabha, that is lower house of the parliament. On 12 May 2005, this RTI bill was passed in Rajya Sabha. Okay, Rajya Sabha, upper house of the parliament. ठीक है, on 12 May 2005, RTI bill was passed in Rajya Sabha. Then on 15 June 2005, okay, on 15 June 2005, it was approved by president. तो यहाँ पे इसको approve किया president ने. As you all know that in order to pass any bill in India, first of all it needs to be passed by Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and then approved by president. ठीक है, तो इसको क्या हुआ, 11 May, on 11 May it was passed in Lok Sabha, then 12 May 2005 Rajya Sabha, then on 15 June 2005 President of India, approved by President of India. ठीक है, इसके बाद इफेक्टिव जो हुआ, लागू हुई ये ऑन 12 अक्टूबर 2005. तो इसको लागू किया गया 12 अक्टूबर 2005. Okay, 2005. That means after 120 days, 120 दिन के बाद इसको लागू किया गया RTI को. Now what is this RTI? What is RTI? In order to create transparency in country, RTI was passed. तो एज पर RTI सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया, यहाँ पे याद रखे सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया, एज पर RTI एक्ट 2005, सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया हैव राइट, सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया हैव राइट टू गो अगेंस्ट public authority, to go against public authority, to seek information, okay. As per RTI Act 2005, citizens of India have right to go against public authority to seek information. UN, United Nations जो है, it has asked all its member countries to make RTI laws एंड करेंटली 70 कंट्रीज, तो अभी तक 70 कंट्रीज हैव मेक लॉज ऑन आरटीआई, तो अभी तक 70 कंट्रीज ने इस पे कानून बनाए हैं। एंड इन पाइपलाइन का मतलब है जो अभी बना रहे हैं, दे आर 50, तो 50 कंट्रीज आर इन पाइपलाइन विच मीन्स दैट दे आर मेकिंग लॉज ऑन आरटीआई। ठीक है, तो 70 कंट्रीज ने इस पे कानून बनाए हैं, 50 कंट्रीज आर इन पाइपलाइन विच मीन्स दैट दे आर मेकिंग लॉज ऑन आरटीआई। ठीक है, तो मैं फिर से यहां पे बोल रहा हूं, आरटीआई को मीन्स राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट 2005, एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अचीवमेंट, और वी कैन से बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस ड्यूरिंग 2004 to 2014 under Dr. Manmohan Singh. And under this RTI, citizens of India have right to go against public authority to seek